Hi, I'm Neil Shanti Lim from San Jose del Monte City of Bulacan, Philippines, and I'm doing a review of Ryan Hildreth and his company, cashflowchannels.com. I applied for the position of a scriptwriter and I was able to land on the job within a couple of days thanks to his team. And my favorite part about it is the fact that I'm able to expand my knowledge and just really grow as a writer, especially when I was beginning. Miss Elaine from the team really helped me out a lot and just guided me throughout the process. And I enjoy it as a student because I am able to work and study simultaneously without a hassle. So it's really, really convenient. And I've been doing this for about 6 months now. And I am confident that if ever I am to change position and wanted another job, then they will be able to help me land on it and endorse me to a new client just like they did before. That is why I highly, highly recommend that others to try and really experience the kind of environment where you are able to grow and really thrive in your craft. Thank you.